Welcome back to another episode of EK Sinbad. Today's going to be a little different video. Nothing like anything I've done on my channel before. Today we're going to be unboxing the only thing I bought at Symmes, which is kind of saying something in itself. I got a American retro steering wheel from California. I'm gonna get my handy dandy bench made here, get the shipping label off. So I've been looking at these wheels. Well, first, let's cut to a little footage from Symmes, show you their booth when I walked up on it. So here's that footage. All right, here's something I've been looking for. A retro wheel for the truck project.
What kind of truck you got?
I've got a 57 Chevy.
Okay. Well, those will fit a 57.
Okay, so I've been looking at these wheels. They're steering wheels. I've been looking at them for quite some time. I had seen them on Summit and, you know, other places like that. Between, you know, $400 and $500, $550, somewhere in there, depending on where you get it from. I didn't want to pay that much. So at Symmes, I just happened upon their booth, not even realizing they were there, and started talking to the guy. They had a Symmes show special, and his special was $100 off of their price. So I ended up getting this wheel for $299 plus shipping. So total shipping, I paid $319 shipped. How does this? Oh, all right, I see you. So my thinking on the truck is that, that's all right. My thinking on the truck was that the exterior is going to be all retro and old school and not have anything done to it. The interior is going to be kind of a little updated, but still very old school and original. So my thought on the steering wheel was I didn't want to get some big, you know, $1,000 steering wheel. I wanted to get something a little more in the style of what I'm doing. So again, I went to American Retro Steering Wheels, which they got me this. There's a little like washer for the back of it. Here's the centerpiece, the horn button. I might get like a little EK Sinbad sticker for it or something. Or I might see if my original Chevy horn button fits on it. I don't know if it will yet. But here's the wheel. You get that on there. It basically looks exactly like my stock steering wheel, except for it's like 2.5, 3 inches smaller. So that's that. Now, thank you for watching that. I'm gonna throw in how I'm gonna do the battery box too real quick on this one, because I've been trying to find somewhere to put that video and I haven't been able to figure that out. So here is the quick run through of what we're doing with the battery box. So this is eventually going to be a battery box, and like I was saying, I wanted a vintage Pepsi or Dr. Pepper or Dad's Root Beer or something that was yellow would go with the truck a little bit. Well, I couldn't find one, and the ones that I could find were like $300 plus. So I've bought this, and it's like a vintage remake on Amazon. It was like $80. It comes with like a plastic liner inside that I've started to try to cut out. I've cut the edges off of it. All right, so once I've busted the glue all the way around, I am just pulling up with it. And it came all the way out. So again, I just cut the edges off because they were like stuck under the corners and stuff. I cut the edges off and I broke the glue from the sides and I peeled it out. Now all that's left, it's trying to figure out a clean way to get all this out. Should be fun. All right, so I'm getting there. All I've used is a flathead screwdriver, and I found that if you score the sides with a knife, they come out a little easier. That's why the bottom's in like pie shapes. But you basically just get this underneath, pull up. The bottom's the easiest part. The bottom's the easiest part, so it's kind of deceiving how I just did that. But if I had a smaller screwdriver, it'd probably be even easier. But that's pretty much how you do on all four sides and the bottom. You keep going until it's done. Pretty cool Honda battery box is going to be interesting. I'm excited to see it all together. All of this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow me for more updates on the truck. Bye.